Unfortunately, COVID-19 has been the common agenda for all of us for the last couple of months. Due to this recent pandemic, health and safety practices take on even greater importance and visibility across the globe. It reminded the world what matters the most is life. As ways of doing business are being reconsidered and adapted globally, here at KOROZO, one thing remains unchanged: our focus on keeping our workforce safe. As a supplier of healthcare, hygiene, and food industries, it is our utmost responsibility to supply goods continuously while keeping our employees safe and healthy during these exceptional times, just like any other day. Since the beginning of the outbreak, we have been closely following the guidance of authorities and acting accordingly. In the early days, we have established an executive crisis committee and held meetings to adapt our risk assessments and preparedness plans to changing conditions on a daily basis. Apart from the physical measures which are required to fight the outbreak, we believe it is vital to have visible leadership support, engagement of organization, and regular communication to ensure that we all share the same perspective. Although the circumstances are new and unique for all of us, we are confident that we will continue to manage this period with the support of our colleagues and business partners, by keeping health and safety in our minds at every step we take. Stay safe.